Hey guys, what's up? It's Cam with the camera, and today we are talking about why you need a website and some of the things that's been happening online lately and why you need it, especially for the future going forward. All your stuff that you're going to be putting onto social media, you need to put on a website, and it can actually make you some money. So that's what this video is about.
There's a couple different reasons why you might need a website. First reason is you have a private place to store all your pictures, all your videos, all your thoughts and ideas. Right now, with all the stuff going on with Facebook and Instagram, with all the censoring of information, if you don't agree with what they say, how they ban your stuff, well, that can't happen on a website because, well, it's your own personal space. Reason number two to have your own website is because you can monetize it. So all you have to do is go out throughout your day, document what you're doing, throw it on your website, make a review about it, say, hey, I like this food because of this. I like this restaurant because of this. I like this new thing that they had at this new restaurant, like the whole Popeyes thing. You know, you'll get traction on your website from there, and then you can monetize. And then there's also affiliate links. Affiliate links is one of the best ways to make money from a website. It's a product that you already use. You just recommend the product to somebody and you make a commission if they decide to buy it. It's not like you're selling out. It's just telling people, hey, I like this product and I think you would like this product as well. So here's a link to it and this is my thoughts on it. So super simple. The third reason to have a website, is just to have your own space. You can make it completely how you want. You don't have to worry about any type of rules or regulations. You said it's your space. It's your little piece of the internet that you can keep. You can decide what you want to do with it. You can make money through selling courses if you're really knowledgeable about something. You know, sell your perspective on it. You can sell merchandise. So if you're good with arts and crafts, you can put it on there and on your website and sell it, you know, and then you're making money directly. The third way, and probably the easiest way to get started with the website and making money, if you want to make money with the website, is by drop shipping. So you got services like Printful and, you know, some other services that you can use. Miller's or Pixieset is what I use for pictures, and they automatically do fulfillment. So there's no inventory that you have to maintain. All you have to do is show them the design, you pick the material, and then whenever somebody actually orders it, then they send an order in to your fulfillment service and they fulfill everything for you. That means they do the shipping for you. That means they do the labeling for you. All you have to do is set your profit margin. So it's really easy to get started doing drop shipping on a website if you're trying to make money that way. I think it's just really cool to have like your little piece of the pie and somewhere on the internet that you can make your own space, especially dealing with exactly what you're dealing with, because the internet is so big that you'll be able to find some type of place for your content to live. Some people that's going to resonate with it. There's going to be people that resonate with it. That's just how it's going to be. I mean, the internet is big. So I would definitely advise you to get a website before Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and all that kind of stuff starts really being very careful about their guidelines. So that means all your pictures, all your work that you've been building up for years and years and years could be just gone like that if you're not backing it up, especially to a website. So yeah.
So another question a lot of people tend to ask when it comes to making their own websites, they're like, aren't websites complicated to build? Don't you have to hire a web developer to do that? Well, I do web design. I'm not what would be considered a web developer because I don't know any coding, and that's fine because you don't need to know any coding to make your own website. There's this thing called Elementor Pro, which is with WordPress, and it's Elementor, and it is a free plugin that you can use. It's a drag and drop builder, just like Squarespace, just like Wix, just like Weebly. All those different things, it's the same thing, except for, in my opinion, there's a lot more functionality that you can do with the WordPress and Elementor, and then spending a little bit of money and getting Elementor Pro, you can do just so much different things. So this is like a visual drag and drop type of way to build your website. You don't need to know any code. You just simply look at something, say, okay, I want video in this little space. You put the video in there and it fills it. After that, you can also do pictures, text, titles, tables, any type of payment systems, all that kind of stuff is free with it. So that's why I don't agree with paying for Squarespace and Wix and all that kind of stuff, because they're going to charge you extra if you want to, commercialize everything and really make money with it. Whereas like WordPress with Elementor, you only pay one fee and you can monetize everything pretty dang quickly without having to pay any additional fees per month. So if you're interested in learning about web design and web development, let me know. Right now I'm actually taking a course on Udemy for web development. I want to become like a front-end developer, like a full stack developer, being able to code eventually. But for right now, I don't even need that. So I just have a hosting service. I can host up, I can have like close to over 1,000 sites on my hosting on my server. I can have like 1,000 sites on my server and make money from it. So really just that initial investment in on my server, and that's just, I can have as many websites as I want, be able to make it, talk about all different types of things. I have a website for my growing, my microgreens and all that kind of stuff. It's called Triangle Grows. I have one for me personally. It's called camwiththecamera.com. I have another one that's called Triangle Brews. It's for all the breweries in the Triangle area in Raleigh, Chapel Hill, Durham area. Got a couple other ones too as well. Got ones for friends who own different businesses. Like, if you learn to make websites, every business nowadays needs websites. Think of all the new businesses that are coming in every week. They all need websites. So if you can make yourself valuable and be able to make a good website and help these businesses out, then they're in turn just going to tell the next person who's going to tell the next person. And look what you're doing. You're building websites and you're drag and dropping, and it's really not that complicated. There's a little bit of a learning curve, and there are some repetitive steps, but I mean, that's just work. That's a job. I mean, nothing is going to be fun forever. So it's pretty simple to learn how to start to do web design. Not web development is what I say. I say web design. To me, web design is designing the website visually, and web development is like coding and kind of stuff like that. So if you have any questions about anything, just feel free to comment, drop me a line. And if you like a video like this, be sure to right here, like, comment, and subscribe. And join me on the next video, as I'd probably talk about. Join me on the next video. I don't know what I'm going to be talking about in the next video. Actually, I kind of do know what I'm going to talk about, but stay tuned. Peace.